We at Sustainable Kashi eat a lot of peanut butter. So we take our old peanut butter jars, we use about one a week, and then we turn them into containers for our Kashi grown spices and herbs. One of the things that we found out is you can take the peel off by adding lemon essential oil. It scrubs off fairly easily. And this way we create less waste, knowing that we're going to end up eating more peanut butter throughout the week anyway. Just trying to find a way to lessen the amount of stuff that goes right into the trash can. Thank you so much for joining me. We make a new video 2 to 3 times a month. Feel free to join us. Click that subscribe button, click the like button if you liked it, and we'll see you next time. Bye!